Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I'm Ernest. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at this Denvix 150 PSI portable air compressor. It's definitely the biggest portable air compressor I have. It'll do 32 liters a minute up to 150 PSI. That's pretty crazy. First thing we'll do is take a look at this box, go ahead and unbox it. I'm up in the mountains traveling on my way through today. Figured it'd be a great time to look at this tool while I'm taking a break. All right, let's go ahead and break into this box and see what it's got inside. Right here on the outside, it's going to tell us what we're getting. We've got a storage case. That's always super nice. Half these things don't come with a case, so it's great when it does. Air inflator, inflator tube. Oh, we got a charging cable. That's nice. Some converters so you can fill up balls and stuff. Those are always super nice. Oh, and a fast charger for your car. I've never received a toolkit that came with a fast charger for your car, just a charger. So if that really is a fast charger, this is going to be a great kit. All right, let's go ahead and discard the box. Overall impressions on the case, super sturdy. It's got some padding in it. Should protect your air inflator from being dropped or anything like that. Rolling around in the back of your car. Yeah, I felt like it had some padding in there. Okay, here's the air compressor. So it looks super nice right off the bat. It feels really sturdy and nice and heavy, what you'd expect. 80% out of the box charged. I'll go ahead and charge it up all the way. Of course, it comes with a screen protector, but I'm also surprised to see that it comes with some protectors for its non-slip grips there. I actually really like that this is square because you'll be able to just set it down while you're working and it won't roll around. I have a few that are pretty narrow and long that just roll around all over the place. This will do a lot better. Sounds nice. Oh, we got different color LEDs in there too. This is definitely the brightest light I have on any of my small portable devices. Check this out. A little warm white light, that'll be nice for when you're working at night. Okay, here we can adjust bar, PSI. You can set it on the mode for a car, scooter, bicycle, basketball, or a person. And this is something I've been doing for a while when I go out on call outs. I like to make sure all the tires are topped off just while I'm working, and this device is something that can do that perfectly. It'll easily top off all 4 tires in just a couple of minutes. I tested it out on my truck here, and as you can see, it'll even fill up a tire that's completely empty. Now I'm actually really interested to see if this is a rapid charger, so let's check it out. Okay, well, it comes with a little Denvix logo on it, so you know that it's from the same company. The construction, this is actually aluminum. I love how short this is. This is the best feeling car charger that I've ever gotten. Nice. All right, so this is actually 48 watts. It says right here on the side. Okay, it comes with this nice little air cable. I love the kinds that you can just screw on because you know they're nice and secure versus the kind that clamp on. All right, there we go. That's all nice and tight. Here's the little adapters it comes with. This long one, that short one. Let me know if you know what that's for. Maybe a Presta valve. And of course to fill up a soccer ball. Let's go ahead and hear how loud this is. That sounds very similar to the other high-end portable air compressors that I have. There's a notable difference between the volume of this one and the cheaper quality ones. There's something else that I noticed. On the nice quality electric tools like this, they double as power banks. This has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, so that'll double as a nice big power bank. You can charge your phone or other devices with you while you're out working. Not only that though, but this one specifically is Quick Charge 2.0 and Quick Charge 3.0 enabled from this little box itself. So you don't even need an adapter. All you have to do is plug something in and this will Quick Charge 2.0 or 3.0 depending on your device. That's pretty cool. I just charged this up to 100%. Let's go ahead and hook it up to a water bottle. I've got some tire valves here and a drill. So I'm gonna drill a hole in the lid of this and put a tire valve in here, and let's see if we can get this to explode. Okay, I've just got the cap of this, goes into a water bottle cap. Let's see what it does. I'm not sure if the cap's just gonna blow off. I'm assuming that they make them strong enough to hold on, but we'll see. I'm gonna put this all the way up to 150 PSI. And we'll blow it up. Okay, luckily that truck just turned around. I'm gonna go ahead and put this up to max PSI. Okay, let's hook this up and find out what happens. I'm gonna go stand over there and plug my ears. This is an awesome tool. If you're interested in one of these portable air compressors, check out the link in the description in the pinned comment. And of course, this works great with my normal use, topping off all 4 tires on a call out. Let me know in the comments your favorite thing about this video or this tool, and I'll see you on the next episode of Roadside Rescue. That's a tool well done.